Hey guys, Original Boris here. I got Original Mia Bella eating a cookie, and she's going to do a review for us. These are Ruffles Queso cheese ruffles. She wanted to do a review, right? And let you guys know, she already opened the bag, but she wants to let you guys know just how good these chips really are. So there you go, Mia. Go ahead and grab your chips and eat one for us, and tell us what you think.
No. You have to get one and taste it.
You want me to taste it too?
Yeah.
Okay, she wants me to taste it too. These are cheese ruffles, or as the bag says, queso in Spanish. There you go.
1, 2, 3.
What do you think? Yeah, those are very, very, very good. Me personally, Ruffles have always been one of my favorite chips. I like Ruffles better than I like Lay's. So I prefer the regular Ruffles with Tapatio, not the Tapatio flavored Ruffles, but just like with the actual bottle of hot sauce that you can pour on there. But those are definitely good. Cheese Ruffles, they've been around for a while, and I think Mia wants to end the video because she keeps saying bye. But check them out. Cheese Ruffles, very good. Say bye again. Bye. And what do we say? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave a comment. And stay tuned for more.